Today we have very nice lunch just along the sea. This is like sea salad with big prawns. It's so good. Sorry. Good morning. I am at the Friday market in San Benedetto del Tronto. Here you can see our beautiful lighthouse, and this market takes place each Tuesday and Friday, and I wanted to show you guys some of the typical things that are sold here. It's both clothes but also food, and I cannot wait to show you guys some of the things that we can buy here. I'm very excited. This is something we cannot absolutely have in Slovakia, so I'm very, very happy. And now we are looking for a place with some shadow to show you and eat what we got. Some very typical things from central Italy. Look at these beautiful palm trees and other trees alley. This place, San Benedetto del Tronto, is called the Riviera delle Palme, palm trees Riviera, and as you can see we have them everywhere. First we have something extremely interesting that you cannot find abroad most probably. Well, you can find some similar things but not these, and it is porchetta. So that's pork meat, and it's typical especially from central Italy. Specifically, one of the most typical is from around Rome, Roman castle, and they also give you crackling pork skin, as you can see, and it's really, really good. Normally it's served with sandwich, like you would eat a sandwich with porchetta, but we are not super hungry, so we are getting only the meat. Normally I eat it with a fork, but now we are outside, so the skin is super crackling. Another thing that I wanted to show you as part of this second breakfast is olive alla scolana. So beautiful. You've seen this also in one of my past what I eat in Italy, in central Italy videos, the one from Easter that you can go back and watch on my channel. So this is basically a olive, and you must do it with an olive that is typical from this area, so the area around Ascoli Piceno, which is like a city nearby San Benedetto del Tronto. And then it's filled with meat, and those are then breaded and fried, and they are super delicious. You can also buy them in the butcher shop. So places where they sell any kind of meat, they also make those, but mainly in this area of Italy. I don't think it's that common to find them elsewhere. And now we bought them at the San Benedetto Friday market, and they cook them already. Otherwise, you can buy them raw and then you cook them yourself. Quindi iniziamo con lo zucchero. Quanti cucchiai?
Sempre a fuoco basso e girare nello stesso verso.
Ok, altrimenti cosa succede?
Impazzisce la crema.
Ok, abbiamo finito con la crema, gli ultimi attimi e poi si spegne, giusto?
Sì.
Bella, sarà molto buona. Metti in posa per il video, Teo? Teo? Bello. Sea here, it's a bit different than city here. It's finally time to go in the water after relaxing after lunch. When we were kids in Italy, our parents, our moms especially, always told us to wait 2-3 hours after lunch, but usually the lunch was bigger. And since then, I have this habit of waiting. I don't know if it's true that one should wait, but still, I wait just a little bit, maybe half an hour, and then I go into the water. So, they are building something here, a new house on the beach.
belle.
Thank you.